In this Programming for Artists tutorial, I'm going to quickly go over how to install Visual Studio Code. If we navigate to the code.visualstudio.com website, we'll have an option to download Visual Studio Code. Most likely, it will detect your computer version, whether you're using Mac, Linux, or Windows. If for some reason it doesn't do that, you can always click Other Platforms. Once you do this, select the particular platform that you have, whether it be Windows, Linux, or Mac, and then download that version of Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio Code is downloaded, then open up the zip file and execute the executable or the disk image to applications if you're using a Mac, or install it on Linux. Once it's installed, go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code. This is the welcome screen for Visual Studio Code. We can open a folder if we already have some code. We can create a new file, but what we most likely want to do is either clone a GitHub repository, start a GitHub repository, or use Git in some way to actually version control our files. If we look over here on the left, we have Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and Extensions. If we go ahead and click on Source Control, most likely it will say that you don't have Git installed. There are many ways to install Git. I have instructions down below. Once you install Git, then we'll be ready to use this as our development environment for coding. If you have any questions on how to install Git, whether you're on Windows or Mac, please see links in the description.